South African tactician Rhulani Mokwena has stepped down as head coach of MC Alger, bringing an abrupt end to his 8-month stint with the Algerian Giants, despite the club sitting comfortably at the summit of the league standings. The former Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns coach parted ways with the club less than 24 hours after guiding MC Alger to a 2-0 victory over Paradu AC. A result that left the team 5 points clear at the top of the Algerian League One with 4 matches still in hand. The Algerian outfit confirmed Mokwena's departure in an official statement, revealing that the decision followed discussions between the coach and the club management. And so the management of MC Alger announces the departure of South African coach Rhulani Mokwena from his technical role following the activation of the clause that ends his duties as head coach of the first team. The statement added that according to the contract terms, the club will pay Mokwena 2 months' salary after he opted to leave. Club officials said Mokwena personally expressed his desire to end his tenure after 8 months in charge. During his time at the club, the 38-year-old guided the MC Alger to Algerian Super Cup title and kept the team at the top of the domestic league standings from the early stages of the campaign. However, setbacks in knockout competition cast a shadow over what had otherwise been a strong league. MC Alger suffered elimination from both the Algerian Cup and the CAF Champions League, including a decisive 2-0 defeat to Mamelodi Sundowns in Tshwane that ended their continental ambitions. That loss sparked a 4-match winless streak, intensifying speculation around Mokwena's future. Although the team later returned to winning ways in the league, the victories ultimately proved insufficient to secure his long-term stay. Meanwhile, reports suggest Mokwena could soon resurface elsewhere in North African football. Al Ittihad Libya Executive Director Abdelmajid Saleh confirmed that negotiations had taken place with the South African coach, and that intensive negotiations took place during the past few days with coach Rhulani Mokwena to sign him, and agreement was reached on all details. However, up to this movement, the agreement has not taken an official character. Should the move materialize, Mokwena will reunite with South African midfielder Thembinkosi Lorch, a player he previously coached at Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, and Wydad Casablanca. His sudden departure adds another twist to a turbulent spell in Algeria, leaving MC Alger leading the title race, but searching for a new figure to guide the club through the final stretch of the season. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.